Hello, custom family. I want to say big thank you to all the time you spent watching my video. And then each time you watch my video, thanks for the share, thanks for the comments, thanks for inviting others to subscribe to my channel. And I know for those ones that are watching today, I'm so expectant and we are going to subscribe to my channel today. Oh, I say God bless you for choosing my channel. I'm so excited today. I'm really so excited. Guess what? I got a contract of owambe clothes, owambe party contracts. Oh, beautiful. I have a lot of the cloth to sew, and so I decided to give them different design, different types, different one for the males, for the female, for children. It's so awesome. I cannot cancel. Let's get there. This is the Yoruba attire. This is the placket there. Guess what I use for it? I use that shoki for the placket there, and then with the heart to go with it. Check it out. Have you gotten this design before? Put on the heart to match. Okay, my hairstyle will not allow the cap to enter very well. All the same, the heart to match. Oh, beautiful. Have you ever seen this before? Add it to your catalog and sew it for your customers. That's number one. Then number two, I got this senator wear short sleeve. See it. Check out the design. Look at it. Add it to your catalog. Add it to your catalog and give your customers the best design. Check it out. Check it out. Look at the pocket. Look at it. Fine, beautiful. There's another one, and it's of course it's short sleeve. Okay, it's another one. Okay, the other one is a long sleeve. Check out the design. Long sleeve. Check it out. You can see it's long sleeve. Oh, can you see it? Can you beat this? Can you beat this? Can you beat it? Okay, look at the pockets. Look at the pockets of this one. It's lovely. Can't beat it. The button is yet to be fixed. Can you see it? Beautiful. Fine one. Okay. The next one, this one is a long sleeve. Okay. The next one, oh, beautiful baby girl dress. Can you see the girl's dress with the net hand? Can you see? 2 steps. Add it to your catalog for the babies. It's a full house sewing I did. I'm so excited. Give me a try and you'll be glad you did. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Oh, next one is the mommy of the house dress. Look at that. Oh, look at that skirts. This is how it's going to be. Lovely. This is skirts. Lovely. Add it to your catalog. Thank you. And then for the top, this is the top. Okay. Look at the hand. Look at the sleeve. Look at the sleeve with the padded 8 pieces. Oh, check it out. It's a full house. I'm so excited. Try me and you will see that you'll be glad. Okay, patronize me just with little token.